Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to remove SIM card lock in Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the security. Okay, click security. And okay guys, here in security, okay, you can see the password security here below. And okay guys, in password security, you can see the SIM card lock. Okay, you all have to do is click SIM card lock. And okay guys, here in SIM card lock, okay, you can select the SIM you want to remove the lock. And okay guys, so I select SIM 1. And okay guys, here in SIM 1, okay, you can see the lock SIM card. And okay guys, to remove the lock of your SIM card, okay, you only have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we need to enter the SIM pin, okay? And after you enter the SIM pin, click OK on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully removed the SIM card lock in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.